Hello, friends. Happy Monday to you. You found me. It's Monday, May 7th, and if you remember, on Friday, I told you I would not be at school today, so I have for you this recording. So take a look. Today, we're going to do a review of our Unit 11. If you still have unfinished lessons in this unit, I would highly recommend that you go back and watch the recordings for those lessons and get those graded assignments done, because tomorrow we are taking the Unit 11 test. If you have trouble finding recordings, you need to reach out to me or one of your other teachers and they will tell you how to do that. All of the recordings are in your online school for the date that I did the original lesson, except for the week of April 23rd when I was away at PSSA testing, and I recorded all of those lessons in Edpuzzle for you. All right, so moving on, just some test tips for you. If you'd like to read through these quickly, you can pause the video and take a look at those. Here's what you need to know. In your online school, I have created a section under Unit 11 called Unit Review. On that section, if you go into the content area in the online school, go to Unit 11, go to Unit 11 Assessment, and I have loaded in there some study guides for you. So that's the first thing on our list. I did share this with you out in class a couple days ago, but just in case you missed it, it is in the online school for you. Anything that I gave to you in class, you may use to help you with the test. It is open notes, open study guides. You can use it to help you find the answers to the questions for your test. I'm going to go over in a moment some topics you should know for the test tomorrow. You should use your book, and you can use the class slides to find information on each of these topics. The class slides are in your online school under each lesson in Unit 11, okay? So there should be nothing on the test that is a surprise to you, because I'm giving this information to you in advance. All right, so here is my first list of things. Your job today is to get a piece of paper, or you can type this onto your computer, whatever works for you the best, is you are going to look for these things in your notes, in your book, in the class slides, in your study guides, and make sure you know what all of these things are. If you create your own study guide right now by typing or writing this information, I will allow you to use that on the test tomorrow. These things are on the list because they are definitely going to be on the test. So pause the video, copy this down, however you want to do it. When you're done watching the video, then you can get to work defining and describing these things. Now, the next set of things on our list are people. These are people you want to know who they are, what was their job, and what are they most known for. Okay, because a lot of them are known for many, many things, but the main things they're known for that we discussed in our classroom. Now, don't go out and start reading Google and Wikipedia and everything else, because that is going to give you way more information than what is necessary, and it is going to confuse you. You want to find these people in our book, in our class slides, in the videos I showed you in class. That's where you're getting the information to find out about these people. Every single person on this list is going to be on the test in some way or another. Now, pause your video here, write these things down, and then come back. All right, the last set of things that you need to know are these events. I want you to know generally what these events were, when did they occur, and why are they important. Don't go Googling and Wikipedia this stuff. It's going to confuse you. We're using the information that I gave you in class to know about these events. Again, pause the video, jot these down, and when you're done watching the video, you can go back and write down what you know about these things. Again, anything you write down today, you can use to help when you take your test. All right, now, the next thing I have for you to do is I have a quizzes game. Obviously, since we're not in class, we can't do it all together, but you can do it by yourself. In a minute, the link for quizzes will pop up, and then you can click on the link. Make sure you write down the game code so you can play the game, and do your best. Try to get as many answers correct as you can. All right, pause this video if you want to go do the quizzes now, or you can save the link and then go do the quizzes later, whatever you want to do, but make sure you have that game code. All right, now, I also put in the assessment area of the online school for Unit 11, the quizzes answer sheet. If you want to go back and check the questions, you could even print this and quiz yourself again. You can have somebody read you the questions and quiz you, but you'll need to go to the online school to find that answer sheet. Now, I have one more thing that can help you practice studying. I have 2 videos in Edpuzzle right now that are assigned for you, and you can watch these just to review some of the material that we already learned. So you will need to find this video about Lyndon Johnson, and this video is about the Vietnam War, I believe. Okay? So those you can watch after you're done here. Study guides. I already shared this with you. It's in your online school. If you want to use this to study, you can cover up the answers. You can write it down and try to fill in the answers. Whatever you want to do, you can use all of these things to help you when you take your test tomorrow. Other things to do to prepare for our test. Again, review these study guides. They don't do you any good if you don't read them. You need to read them so you know the information. Go back and watch your old recordings or the Edpuzzle videos. Watch any of the video links that I share with you during classes. Many of those brain pop videos are very helpful. Make sure you're doing those things I share with you, like the study guides and the quizzes game. And of course, there's always class slides in your online school. Please use today's class time to prepare for this test tomorrow. Don't just blow off this class because I'm not here. I want us all to get the best grade we can possibly get on our test tomorrow, but it's up to you to make sure that you are prepared, okay? If you have any issues or questions, you may send me an email, but I'm not likely going to get it until Tuesday morning, but I will be back Tuesday. We will take the test tomorrow. I know you guys can do this. Remember, we are almost to the end of our school year. Let's keep pushing strong so we can have a great finish. All right, everybody, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.